Hi Squiz, this is Squeeva here with another Java tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be going over how to parse an OBJ in lightweight JavaGL library, or OpenGL. And the code initially isn't much different, it's just the OpenGL implementation is different if you use JOGL. I'm using LWJGL for this tutorial. Yeah, let's get right into it. So, I have created the basic setup here for a lightweight JavaGL library thing. I'm not really going to go into depth about all of this. I can just tell you, we create a window, we make the game loop, and we set up the GL. I'll give you a second to copy all this down, I guess, but copy that down. 3, 2, 1. Copy all that down. 3, 2, 1. Good. My cat's here, by the way. Cat! Come here. The cat. My Aristocat. He's adorable. Oh, my Aristocat. His name is Linus. Anyways, yeah, let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is create a class where we're actually going to parse the literal OBJ. Now, before we begin, an OBJ is just a model. It's just a model, We're putting a 3D model into OpenGL, which was, not that easy. I downloaded bunny.obj. I'm going to quickly copy that, go down here and paste that. It's the Stanford bunny. You can find it online. I found it in under a minute, so it's not that hard to find. And I recommend you go out and find the Stanford bunny so you can actually start parsing OBJs. So let's quickly get started here. New class and call this one here OBJ parse. Alright, and now we're going to create a thing called model where we're going to store all of our model data and what is taking a class so long to do stuff. Okay, we need to create a new class, call it model, and a new class called face. So I'm going to quickly go over what's in the OBJ. Let's here. Yeah, face. Alright, so if we open this up, we see we have a whole bunch of data. This is what V means is a vertex, Vn is vertex normal, N is a normal, and if we go all the way down, F is a face. A face is basically like connecting the dots. What this is going to do is going to draw a whole bunch of triangles, and then it's going to connect the dots with faces. So, there's that. Normal is just telling you how to light it. This particular OBJ doesn't have normals, and I will show you how to make a thing to implement normals if you wanted to. Oh my god. It's quite a hefty amount of triangles. Anyways, let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is we need to go here. We need to create some array list. Public array list vector3 f. For those who don't know what a vector is, it's basically a bunch of, or a vector 3. For those of you who don't know what a vector 3 is, it's basically just a bunch of coordinates that tell you where something is. It's like the data type for storing vertices on a OpenGL matrix. That's not the most involved answer. It gets way more involved, and please don't yell at me for what I just said. I know it's mostly wrong. But that's just the short way. That's just the short and simple way. New array list. Array list. Jeez, my computer is so slow. It's not like I have much other things open. Oh my god. Can't believe I actually lived with this for so long. Okay. And we can just copy that and paste it for normals. Norms. And we're going to do the same thing with faces. We're going to store all of our faces. Oh, please go faster. Okay, and then we're going to do the same thing over here. It's going to take a while. It's going at like a frame per second. Okay, now that we've done that, we're done with this method here. Now what we need to do is we need to go to face and actually add some stuff into face. So we're going to create some vector 3s here, and we're literally just going to use this to store some stuff. We're going to create a new public. First thing we're going to do is create a vector 3. And what I'm doing here is I'm literally just making something where you can store vertices for faces and normals. Vertices for the face and normals for that face. And then we're just going to use that to basically draw out our OBJ. So vert is going to be equal to new vector 3. Nope. Vector 3f. And we're going to do the same thing for normals. Now, when this actually behaves, you'll see that we're going to have two constructors for this. Alright, so what we're actually, I should probably explain what we're going to do. We're going to create some constructors, just some basic constructors, where we're going to literally say what you're going to put into that vector 3. So we're going to create a public, and we're going to have two constructors, one for an instance where you have normals and the other for an instance where you don't have normals, because you can't just assume anything. You have to, figure it out. Vector 3f vert vector 3f norms. This is going to assume that we have normals. But it's taking up so much memory on my computer, or not memory, CPU. This dot vert is going to be equal to vert, and this dot norms is equal to norms. Okay. Whew, slow. I can hear my computer just firing away. It's crazy. Oh my god. Okay, now that we've done that, we've gotten about halfway through. Wah, wah, wah. How am I doing on time? 8 minutes already. Whew. Okay, this is going to take a little while. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Let's go to OBJ parse. Alright, now what we gotta do is we gotta create a new model. Public model load. And we're gonna have two variables here. We're gonna have a file and a boolean for having normals. Normals. Good. We have to import file, of course. That is so frustrating. Alright, right, so we need to create a buffered reader. Oh, hold on, what's this? Oh, yes, add a return statement. Duh. We're going to return null for now. We're going to change that to be a model. This is going to drive me insane. This slowness on the computer. My God. Computer is just so slow. Oh, those are notes from earlier, by the way. I was doing this earlier. Buffered reader. BF new buffered reader new file. Oh wait. F. There you go. And of course you need to surround it with a try catch. Oh wait. New file reader F. There you go. And now you need to put this in a try catch. No, you don't. I don't know why it's giving me an error. Oh wait, no, yeah, you need to throw a declaration. Or start it in a try catch. I would throw a declaration if I was you, which in this case I am. I'm gonna throw a declaration. Yeah. There we go. Oh, this is much faster. Yay! Alright, now we need to create a string 9. Alright. Model. While line is equal to bf dot read line is not equal to null. So while that's not equal to null, you're gonna read the line. What up here? Add throws declaration. Okay. Now this is it gets a little tricky. Not much. So the first thing we need to do is we need to say, all right, in bunny, you can see there are these letters here that represent something. We're going to detect for this, and then we're going to find numbers after that, if you know what I mean. We're going to find a letter and then split it into these numbers. Man, my brain is just not working right now. Okay. So the first thing we need to do is we need to say if line dot starts with V. Alright, so if we see that the line starts with V, we're just going to do some really simple things. Float x is going to be equal to float dot value of line dot split space of, I think this is going to be 2, I believe. Yeah, 2. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to find the x value, and the x value is going to be equal to parsing it into a float, and then saying, all right, you're going to split it at the first space. You're going to split it here. You're just going to get this number. That's what x is now equal to. And then we're going to do the same thing. Oh, why is it 2? If you don't have it as 2, you get a empty string exception, which is annoying as hell. It is. I was playing around with it. Alright, I don't know why it gives you that exception, but it does, and that's annoying. Alright, Z. And to top it off with a cherry, all we gotta do is do M dot. What? Oh wait, hold on. M dot vertex dot add new vector 3 x, y, and z. There you go, you've gotten the vertex. Now all we need to do is deal with the faces and normals. So, I don't know if I really want to do... I'm not going to do it with normals. I'm not going to do it with normals in this tutorial. In a later tutorial, maybe in shadow mapping, I will go over... Yeah, you know what, in shadow mapping I'm going to go over how to do it with normals. But right now I'm doing it without normals. Alright, so... if line dot starts with f. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to check if has normals, else normals not compatible. System dot oh x on states 0. There we go. This is gonna say, alright, if we find something that has normals, you're gonna say there are no normals. Go after yourself. Alright, and we literally have to do the same thing. Yeah. Hold on. Hold up. Oh, okay. Yeah, sorry, just being stupid. So we're gonna do, we'll make a vector 3f is going to be verts is new vector 3f. Alright, and in here we're gonna put some stuff. So we're gonna put line dot split. Wait, no. We don't want it to be a string, we want it to be a float. Split at that 1. This is going to be at 1. Yeah. Oh, right. And then we're just going to copy this. Two, 3. There you go. That should work just fine. Yippee! Yippee! Anyways, now all we need to do is do m dot faces dot add new face verts. There we go. That should work just fine. Right. So now all we need to do is go here, and in this we're going to do GL begin GL triangles, because it's going to be built off of triangles. This model is going to be built off of triangles. Okay. Now this is pretty easy. All we gotta do is do faces dot, wait, no, sorry, face f m dot, oh, hold on. Model m is going to be equal. So model m equal to null. So we need to actually create the instance of model. We're going to call it model. Alright. Oh, hold on. Hold on. We need to return model, or it won't work. So basically we need to put all the stuff into this model. We need to put all the stuff into this model and then return what's in that model. So then if we go here, we can literally just say m is equal to obj parse dot, wait, dot, what? Oh, hold on. I know why. Hold on. Yeah, it needs to be static. Knew it! Public static. Go here. Do a parse dot load. First, false, so we don't have normals. And our face is going to be, hold up. Hold on. How am I doing on time? 22 minutes. Wow. Thank God I'm almost done. And hopefully I don't run into any errors, because that would really prolong this tutorial. No. None of that. Okay, whatever. M dot faces. Aha, there we go. Let's run that with a try. Attaboy. Now, all we need to do is say vector 3f v1 is going to be equal to m dot, no, sorry, vertex dot get faces dot, what? Oh, I'm sorry, f dot vert dot x minus 1. Alright, and then you're literally just going to, oh yeah, we need to cast that to an end. Whoopsies. And now you're just going to do GL vertex, no, 3 float, I believe, yeah. v1 dot x times 100, that's how big we want it. 100 times its actual size. Okay. So that's going to be x, and we're going to do y and z. v2 dot y 2 2 2. And you see how this is going to make a triangle, right? Because we have 3 of these, it's going to make a triangle, which is going to be our area of the object file. 2 vector 3 is a 3 3. Okay. Now let's just quickly go by things and make sure we didn't forget anything. I think we're good. I think we can just run it and see what happens. Nothing, just as expected. Am I getting any errors? Apparently not. Where can I possibly be getting any errors? Why is it just an IO exception? Isn't there supposed to be like a number exception or something? Huh. Let's just do a bit of debugging. What did I do? Okay, so it draws it. Hold up. Hold on. So it actually draws the vertices. It adds them. Aha, there we go. There's part of the bunny. Let's make it the entire bunny. Okay. 400. 400. Let's see if that worked any. Yeah, okay. You can see the bunny's kind of coming out. Bunny! Let's just make it even larger. This is a very big bunny. It's fat. It's sad because it's fat. See? It's a bunny! Or at least the butt. All we need to do now is make a wireframe and move our stuff. So, I'm going to go here and do GL translated. Let's see. 100, 0, 0. And then let's see if this did anything. Okay. -1, 3. Let me just tweak these things a bit. Yeah, okay, that's good. You can see it's a bunny, right? I mean, that's a bunny. It looks ugly as all get out. But let's multiply it by 90. Make it a bit smaller. It's kind of a fat bunny. It's so fat. It's corpulent. Not fat. It's corpulent. It's a corpulent porpoise. Okay. Now. See? It's a bunny. It's a bunny wabbit. And I still don't quite like how it is. So, let's make this 500 and -5. It's going to go back a lot. Yeah, there you go. There's the bunny. And right now it looks kind of ugly. All we need to do is add some wireframes and it won't be so ugly. Oh, also, go here, do GL rotated, and let's just have it rotate by a factor of 10. And we're going to have it rotate along the x-axis. There you go. If we run it, you can see it's rotating. Whoa. It looks so flat. Alright, now all we need to do is make it wireframe. And this is actually pretty easy. It's pretty darn easy to make a wireframe. Okay. There you go. There's your bunny. Whoa, it's flat. But anyways, that's a bunny. I will put all this code on GitHub. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. And I will see you, as always, in the next tutorial. Bye-bye.